Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Flow in After Effects. All right, let's begin. Open your browser and search for Flow After Effects. Click the first website link and wait for it to load. If you want to buy the plugin, click Add to Cart. To try it for free, click Try. The download will begin. After the download completes, open File Explorer and go to the download location. Open the zip file. Right-click the .zexp file and choose Rename. Change the extension from .zxp to .zip and extract the contents. Right-click the new zip file, hover over WinRAR, and select Extract to. This will create a new folder. Copy the extracted folder. Go to your C drive, open Program Files, x86. Then go to Common Files. Open the Adobe folder and find the SAP folder. Inside, open the Extensions folder and paste the copied folder there. Launch After Effects. From the top menu, click Window, then hover over Extensions. You'll now see the Flow plugin in the list. So that's basically how you can install Flow in After Effects. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.